Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to replace a glass stovetop burner element. First thing I'm doing right here is latching the oven door so that I can pull it out easily. Before you do that, you might want to check your model number, serial number on your stove so that you can order the correct part. Once you have your part, you can continue. First, unplug your device. You want to unscrew both sides on the back in that ground cable so that you can flip the top. Then you'll come from the side with a screwdriver and you'll push that clip in. It has two clips, one on each side. You want to push both of those so that you can raise that top. Then you'll remove that cable harness, and if you have any other cable harnesses that need to be removed, then you'll have to do so in your model. Once you have that top flipped, you can remove the screws on the burner so that you can flip it and see if it's not working properly. So in my case, I could see right away that the wire right there is burnt pretty bad. So I knew that before shooting the video. I'm just showing it in the video so that you guys would know as well what to look for. And I already had my part ordered, so I'll be swapping it right now. There you can see that the wires, I have two old wires on the older one, an extra yellow and black cables. Don't worry about it. We'll just go cable for cable and you'll have one left over cable and it goes where it needs to go. It's pretty easy. Don't be afraid when it looks different. And you can follow the labeling on the sides as well. Then you just screw your burner back in place. And real quick, if you haven't done so already, please like, share, subscribe. If you find the video useful, somebody else might find it useful as well. Maybe one of your friends in 5 years from now will remember this and can help somebody else out. So screw the back into place in the ground. Push the top back in so that both clips are engaged. Before doing that, remember to re-engage that cable harness. And then all there's left is to plug it back in and push it back into place and test it. Or you can test it before pushing it back into place. That way you don't have to reopen anything, just in case you forgot maybe to reconnect the cable harness. You'll find out before you have to push it in and then all the way back out. In the moment of truth, there you go. So you just save yourself some time and money by not having to hire anybody or having to buy a new stovetop. So I hope that you find this video useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.